In this quick video, I'm going to share with you one of the quickest, most intuitive ways for you to get some more gift card sales in your business. I'm Amar Ghosh, the CEO and co-founder of ZenGift and ZenMate, and today we're going to talk about email marketing. Really basic stuff. We can get more advanced, and we probably will on another video, but I just wanted to briefly bring up today as a quick tactic or strategy for the idea of essentially just sending an email to your entire list, to all of your former customers, to all of your current customers, to all the leads that you've collected in the time that you've been in business, and let people know that you're offering gift cards as an option now. Let them know about your new gift card program and make some suggestions about why they might actually buy the gift cards. A lot of people might think, oh, they're only going to buy it for themselves for future services, but they're called gift cards for a reason. They could buy it as gifts for friends, for family, for coworkers. We've talked other times on this channel about using gift cards in giveaways. They might actually purchase that and then use that as part of a package. There are lots of different reasons that your customers or former customers, that your fans, your champions, your audience might want to give you some money to support your business and to share the joy of your business with one of their friends or someone in their network. So that's today's hint, tip, whatever you want to call it. You can just send a quick email to your list and just let them know that this gift card program of yours actually exists, and you'd be surprised how many sales that might actually bring for you in a single day. So I hope that helps. If you have any successes with that, go ahead, drop them below, and we'll give it a look. We'll have a chat. Thanks.